Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix USB devices which are not working with WD15 docking station. So if you have XPS 9365 2-in-1 laptop and your USB devices like keyboard or mouse is not working while when the computer is connected to WD15 docking station. So in order to fix this problem, you have to download and install these two drivers, that is Intel Thunderbolt 3 firmware update and the Intel Thunderbolt controller driver. So open Dell website, that is dell.com slash support support support. So it's www.dell.com/support. Open this website, then enter the service tag of your computer. You will find the service tag number of your XPS laptop on the bottom. So on the bottom you will find a cover. If you remove that cover, you will see that service tag number of your computer. So enter the service tag number, then click on search, or you can just simply click on browse all products, click on laptops, then go to XPS, then select XPS 13, then it's XPS 13 9365 2-in-1, click on it. Now go to drivers and downloads, and under the category you will see the drop down options. Select chipset from the drop down menu. Now download Intel Thunderbolt 3 firmware update. So click on it and then click on download, and after the download is complete, run the exe file and install the driver. Now the second one is Intel Thunderbolt controller driver. So just below this you can find Intel Thunderbolt controller driver. So click on download and then run the exe file and install the driver. Once this is done, restart your computer, and after the restart, all your USB devices like mouse, keyboard, everything should start working. So just updating these two drivers will fix your problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.